Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make classic crepes. Now the crepe batter itself is very easy. We only need a few ingredients. The only difficult part with crepes is getting it just right and cooking it perfectly in the pan. Now you can fill these with savory ingredients like bacon, ham, mushrooms, cheese, or you can go with the sweet side, fill them with jams, Nutella, banana, strawberries. Really, you can make these any way that you want. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the crepe batter, we're going to need 2 eggs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 1 cup of milk. Now you can mix all these ingredients together in a bowl with a whisk if you want. It's going to take a couple minutes to mix it up. We're going to use a blender or a mixer. It's a lot easier. We're going to take all the ingredients, our milk, our melted butter, salt, our sugar, our eggs, and our flour. And we're just going to mix this up until we get a nice smooth batter. And that right there is the consistency we are looking for. Now we're going to heat up a little saute pan over medium heat, get some butter in it. We're gonna get these made up. We're gonna take a little bit of our butter, get it in the pan, get it well coated. We're gonna take 1/4 of our batter and go right to the dead center of the pan. Now we're just gonna swirl it around and coat the whole entire bottom of the pan. Get a nice even layer. Now we're gonna give this about 2 to 3 minutes to cook per side. And once this side is no longer shiny and a little tacky, we're just gonna give it a little flip. We're gonna let it go for another minute or 2. We're gonna set them aside. I'm gonna bust out the rest. We're gonna plate it up and get a taste. Now that our crepes are done, you can put whatever filling you like in them. Fold them over. Put them into triangles like that. Just plate them up. Or you can roll them with your filling in it as well, just like that. Now I'm gonna go without the filling today, and I'm just gonna do some powdered sugar. Let's finish these up. Just like that. Sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over top. And that's our crepes. Let's step out and get a taste of these. Let's get a bite. Just the way I remember from school. They're light, they're fluffy, they're delicate, they're a great vessel for whatever you put on them or in them. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Stop in, check out our Patreon account, and join our kitchen team and support the channel. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.